Hi everyone! In this WesNest training video, I am going to review how to update your student group administrators. When you are logged into WesNest, in the search bar, you want to type in the name of your student group. Once you select it, select Manage Organizations on the upper right-hand corner. This will take you to your group's homepage. On the left-hand menu, you want to select Roster. Here, you will be able to see all of the members of your student group, as well as who your primary contact is. To edit one of the positions a member of your group holds, you will want to type the name of that student into the search menu. Once you type their name, you will see any positions that student holds listed next to it. To change their position, hit the pencil and select what position you want them to hold, then click Save. As you see, I am now listed as the financial manager for this group. If you want to update what privileges a certain position holds, select Manage Positions, and then select Financial Manager, or whichever position you want to change. Here, you can change details about management access for that position. You can have all access, no access, or limited access. If you select Limited Access, you'll be able to change what specific features a member can view, such as creating events, viewing finance information, forms, and sending messages to your group. If you select none, they will not have access to that specific feature. Once you've made your updates, you'll want to click Save, and that position will have been successfully updated. And this is how you update your group's administrators.